All right, good morning. Today we're going to be talking about translation, and we're going to start with translations in the plane. Here we're given a figure, and we are told to translate the figure 3 units right and 2 units up. So we're going to look at the vertices or the points on that figure, and we're going to move those first. So we're going to start with that bottom point, and we're just simply moving it as the arrows show, 3 units right and 2 units up, and we'll plot the new point. And then we're going to move up to the next vertex, and we're going to go 3 units right and 2 units up. And then the final one, we will go 3 units right and 2 units up and plot our new point. And now that we have those points, we can simply connect them together to get our translated figure. Now, let's look at some translation notation, because other than just saying move a figure this many units right, left, up, down, they can also give it to us in terms of x and y. So if we're given an expression where we're adding to the x, adding to the x means that we're going to move to the right. That's where the x's are positive. And so therefore x plus 2 means translate 2 units right. And subtracting from the x would mean that we're going to move to the left, because the negatives are to the left of the x-axis. So x minus 4 means to translate 4 units left. Adding to the y values are positive as you go up. So adding to the y means that we move up. So y plus 7 means to translate 7 units up. And then subtracting from the y means to move down. And y minus 5 means to translate 5 units down. Now we can combine those together so that they look like an ordered pair, and that's what we're going to look at next. Here we want to describe each translation, and I'm going to show you the first one. The first one, we are moving x plus 2 and then y minus 1. X plus 2 tells us we're moving 2 units to the right, and then y minus 1 tells us we're moving 1 unit down. So we would fill in the box there with 2 units right and 1 unit down. The rest of them I'm going to leave for you to do as practice, and we will check them together after you finish. If you only have one transformation, that's okay. If there's nothing added or subtracted to the x or the y, it doesn't move in that direction. That just means you're only moving one direction. And then the next slide that you have are just some practice problems. So here you're going to graph each translation. You're given the figure, and then you are asked, you're told how to move it. And here you are given the points. You're going to have to plot the points first and then perform the translation. And for this one, you're given the translation, you're going to have to describe it. You can use words or you can use the x and y notation that we saw previously.